Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I just got a new Robe Mega Pointe. I've been servicing them now for 2 days. It's the first time that I've seen them. We never had them in the service department before. So I'm just going to give you a quick look around and show you what the fixture looks like. I have one that's disassembled to the side because I'm using parts in it to repair all the other ones. So I've taken the bulkheads out and the modules out so I can show them to you individually. So we're gonna start with the top here. I have the module right here. So this is your module where you get the prisms, and you also have the frosts. Sorry that I'm shaking that much, but so we have the frosts here, two different kinds, a whole bunch of prism. We have I'm gonna look on my console, 6 facet, 8 facet. There's a 3D lens on there, which is very cool. It takes a gobo and it puts like a 3D effect on it. I'm gonna show you a little later. That's one cool feature that this fixture has, the 3D thing. And there's another very cool feature that I found out. They have put some motors, actuators on a plate that's holding the lamp, so you can adjust the hotspot from the console. So I thought that was a pretty cool thing. I'm gonna try and zoom in on it. You can see the threaded shaft right in the middle with the brass insert. So there's another one on this side. So it moves the lamp to adjust the hotspot from the console. So I thought that this was a very cool feature. For the rest of the fixture, Robe, as always, makes a pretty good product. I love it when modules come out easily, just like in the BMFL. When you want to take out the zoom and focus module, there's like 6 screws and you pull out 1 power cable and 1 data cable, and the bulkhead comes out. Same principle with this one. As you can see, we have it here, same kind of railing system. Really easy to clean and easy to service. Everything is really accessible, so you just put it back in. 4 screws that are captive. That's a pretty cool upgrade too, so you won't have any trouble taking it apart. So inside the head, there's the same features as a normal fixture. You have a fixed color wheel, you have some color mixing. Yep, fixed color wheel, color mixing here, gobo wheel rotating, also a fixed one. There's an animation wheel that's right here. I'm going to try to pull it out like this. It's one with just a lot of holes in it. So I'm just going to try to give you an idea of the 3D effect. So I'm going to try and beam my fixture on the wall. Shouldn't take too long. Aim it down. There you go. I'm just going to bring it up a little wider, like this. So let's say I'm putting a gobo on. I'm gonna put this one, just gonna focus in on it like so. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the 3D lens. I'm gonna make it rotate here like this. So that gobo was 4 dots, and now they look like 4 tubes. I'm gonna try different gobo, maybe you can see a little better. Whoops. These are 3 lines usually. It's this gobo. You see? That's a pretty cool effect. So this one here is a whole bunch of lines. Usually it's a, I don't know how they call it, but it's a whole bunch of dots. And you can see it on the end that they're all separated, so they're all like little tubes. So that's a pretty cool 3D effect. I know that it doesn't show very well on the video, but live here it's pretty cool. So I'm going to try just to put a little color in it, maybe some cyan. Pretty neat. So that's about it. I won't show you every parameter individually because you've probably seen it all before. So color mixing, fixed color wheel, animation wheel, rotating and fixed gobos, focus, zoom, a couple different types of prisms, 3D effect, hotspot correction from the console. So that's a very, very cool product. And one thing that I found that was a little news, probably because the base was a little restricted on space, that they put the power supply in the bottom there. So if you see the red and blue wire, that gives out close to 400 volts DC. I metered it and it was like 380 something. So it's probably a 400 volt. And it goes inside the head. Here's the lamp driver in the head. Probably because there wasn't room enough in the base. So the power comes in on this side. And then it outputs to the lamp. So once again, Robe, you outdid yourself. Very, very cool fixture. I really love this one. So it's getting close to the BMFL as my top fixture. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.